Good afternoon, boys and girls. And as you can see, we got all the wiring all cleaned up. Got the interior all put back together again. It's real spiffy. I forgot to order a 94 street chip for this thing because I've taken the alcohol out of it. And the only thing I've got is the the 110, 112 race chip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the timing down on it to a more tolerable level for the street. Whatever you do, guys, don't do this. If the ECM down there loses 12 volts just for a split second, the chip has no memory and it'll go back to the high timing settings again, and you'll lay into it and you'll blow the head gaskets out of it. But just for my own purposes here, I'm going to lower the timing down to 20 and 18, high and low gear, and I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the high and low gear timing in this thing. Alright, so we turn the key on this thing, and all of this stuff is on Eric's site. Just go on to Turbotweak and then go into forums, and everything is on there as far as what you need. So, fuel pump's coming on. Nice. So we go over to L8, and to bring it up for first gear timing is number 3 on here. So you press and hold the gas pedal. You press it twice real quick and then hold it on the 3rd, and then this will jump up to 3. So here we go. Press, hold, and we wait for number 3 to come up on L8 here. That's our low gear timing. Okay, let my foot off the gas. We're on number 3. Now I want to bring this timing down to 20 degrees for low gear. So anyway, on Eric's charts there, I got to take 6 degrees out of it. So I got to bring it around to 11. So we go over to BLMs, or I'm sorry, 111. So I got to go around to BLMs. It's on the default of 128. Now I'm going to press the throttle, and it's going to come up through. It goes into the 150 somewhere, and then starts back about 105 or something, and we need to bring it to 111 to get the low gear timing down to 20 degrees. So here we go. We need 111. Press on the throttle. Now it's going up. It'll top out around 155 or 156 and then start back around 105 or something like that. As soon as we hit 111 on Eric's charts, that's 20 degrees of low gear timing. Just bear with me here, boys and girls. Wait this out. Four. Okay, we got to get to 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we're off the throttle, and to lock in that number, just turn the key off. And there we go. So low gear timing is adjusted. So we got to do high gear timing, and it is number 4. So we do the same thing again. Turn the key on to run. And we're going to go over to L8. And the number for high gear timing is 4, so we do the same thing again. Press, hold, and we wait for number 4 to come up. Let our foot off the throttle. That's high gear timing. It's number 4. We go over to BLMs. That's Eric's default. So we got to pull, for high gear timing, we got to pull 7 degrees out of it, and we got to go to number 108. So same thing again. Press the accelerator right to the floor, and the further to the floor you press accelerator, guys, the faster these numbers will spin around. And again, we got to go to 108, so it's got to go all the way up to whatever it was at 150 something, and wherever it started off again. Okay, we're going to ease off it a bit here because it's pretty low. Okay, we got to go to 108. 3. Let our foot off the gas. Turn the key off. and it's locked in. So there you go, guys. You just adjusted high and low gear timing. And again, all you gotta do is go to Eric's site and Turbotweak and click on forums. If you haven't got the instructions, you bought a chip, you haven't got them, they're all on there for you. And that's about it for today, guys. Take care, have a great day.